Welcome home to 982 South Ridge Trail. This beautiful home is located in the South Ridge subdivision. Enter into this open foyer with hardwood flooring. The huge kitchen has a breakfast bar and tons of cabinet space. It also has granite counters and stainless steel appliances. The windows in the breakfast nook offer great views of the backyard. The formal dining room also has hardwood flooring. A formal living room is currently being used as a music room, but would also make a good office space. The great room has a vaulted ceiling and a fireplace. The windows and French doors offer plenty of natural light. Tall ceilings give this home a large open feel. This spacious master bedroom has a tray ceiling. In the master bath, notice the double vanity, separate shower and jetted corner tub. You have plenty of storage space in the master closet. There is also an additional full bath on the main level of the home. The separate utility room has extra cabinets for storage as well as a utility sink. Here is a view of the open staircase. The second bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and a ceiling fan. Here is a view of the third spacious bedroom. This full hall bath is shared by the upstairs bedrooms. This huge bonus room is over the garage and offers plenty of extra living space. Here is a view of the TV area. There are endless possibilities for this great space. What a great place to enjoy the outdoors! This home has great outdoor space to entertain.